All right, we are in store for a very nice Labor Day with only a minor chances of precipitation to actually fall on down. All in all, it's not even looking too great for that precipitation to fall, as it's all just dry air that's going to be lifting up the moist air in our region. Other than that, temperatures will be falling back into the 60s over these next couple of days, so really nice conditions on board. Now, we did have some light precipitation that pushed on through, offering a couple hundredths of an inch, really wetting the soil more or less. That's all thanks to a weak cold front, more or less just a boundary layer separation of air masses, and behind that we actually have a little bit of clearing as well. That is going to be working into our direction for tonight. But here we see that Gulf moisture pluming its way up to the northeast over these past several hours, and a little bit of lift is at least generating that to fall out of the atmosphere. That, like I said, just kind of wetted the soil. Watertown only 2/100ths of an inch, Aberdeen at 5/100ths of an inch. Not much at all with that, and that also limited the temperatures we saw today. In fact, we only climbed into those low mid 80s. Aberdeen 76 degrees is all the higher you climb today. Huron at 83 degrees. Now there's going to be a cold front that works its way on through, and the one I'm actually looking at is the one off on the west. The one that pushed through, that's responsible for the light precipitation. That's great, but like I said, more or less a boundary layer separation, not actually influencing the weather too much. The next one, though, is going to spin up. That potentially could fire out a thunderstorm, but much of that action is just across the border into Minnesota. And then you're noticing that little plume of moisture right there. That's all thanks to dry air pushing its way on in. And like I said, dry air does that great job of lifting in the atmosphere, and that actually can provide some light scattered showers on Labor Day. Not really watching for anything accumulative with that, but can't rule out the fact that we could see a stray drop or two in association with that. So once again, just to give you an idea, for the most part, we're watching very nice conditions. Much of the rain event for tomorrow is going to occur just across the border, and then into Labor Day. Light little puff is going to work its way on through as that dry air moves in, but that's also going to bring comfortable temperatures into our area. So that's going to drop that moisture profile significantly lower. Winds will also be changed around out of the northwest as that front pushes on through and lightens up as well, and that's going to help to encourage that dry air to move into our region. So for tonight, we're going to see our low temperatures drop to 72 degrees under partly cloudy skies. It is going to be a warm night, though, as we do stay in those 70s. Tomorrow, though, it's actually looked to be a nice and sunny day with much of that thunderstorm development off to our east. 82 degrees is going to be the high temperature, and just the slightest chance of rain, all thanks to the development to our east. Over these next couple of days, though, we are watching for temperatures to continue to climb back down towards 68 degrees on Wednesday, and then some nice sunny days on the horizon as well. This is my meteorologist Colin Rask with Watertown Weather Watch forecast. Thank you very much for joining me, and have a wonderful Labor Day.